Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to share something super cool with you guys. It's this awesome app that can help you get guaranteed pay if you're a rideshare driver or a delivery driver. So if you want to learn more about how you can get guaranteed pay, be sure to keep watching till the end of this video. Alright guys, there's this awesome app called Solo, and if you haven't heard of Solo, it's this great business app for drivers that can help you track your miles, track your expenses, really just manage all of your apps. If you're one of those people that likes to use multiple apps, like let's say you're doing Uber and Lyft and Instacart, then you can have all of your earnings in one place. You can really see how much you're making every month and manage your finances. But they have this other feature that is really cool, and it's their pay guarantee feature. So if you sign up, and by the way, we have a link down below if you want to download Solo, sign up, and if you link your gig account, you will get sent $10 for free for using that link. So definitely do that. Enough rambling on, let's just get into the pay guarantee feature. If you go on the website here, you can just see everything about how it works. This says pay guarantee. Without transparent market-wide earnings information, it can make your decision of where and when to work extremely difficult. We're here to give you all the information you need to see what jobs are paying the most in real time and make it easy to plan your schedule to hit your earnings goal faster. Guaranteed. Okay, so this is how it works. It'll basically make this smart schedule for you, and it says that users optimize their schedules and can earn up to 40% more per hour. Okay, they use a bunch of data points, literally millions of data points in your city to show what you can expect to take home, whether you're working 2 hours or 10 hours. So see how it has multiple apps on here, like Instacart, Amazon Flex, DoorDash. It can show you like 9 to 10 a.m. you could make $21.20. 10 to 11 a.m. doing Amazon Flex, you could make $28.14 in that hour. This is great for people who like to use multiple apps, so then you can switch to a different one if that one should be making more money. So now this is how the pay guarantee works. This says thousands of workers across the country have now optimized and guaranteed more than $10 million of earnings with Solo. Okay, you use credits to guarantee the hours you work and take the anxiety out of day-to-day gig work. See here, these are all the estimates here. Let's say you did this Amazon Flex shift and you marked it in there, and you did Amazon Flex from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and you didn't make $28.14. Okay, let's say you made $20. They will send you the extra $8.14 just for free. Like, they will give you the difference between what you made and what they estimated for you. So you're guaranteed that pay that they have for you. And as it says here, you know, if you make more than they predicted, let's say you made $30, then you keep it all. Okay, they're not going to take money away from you. That's like not cool. Like, I don't know why they would do that. So yeah, anything you make, it's all yours. And then you can get paid out. It says qualified payouts will be processed in 4 days. And it makes it really easy to manage your schedule, again, if you're doing multiple apps. So saying here, you can see all the hours you've scheduled for each day, recommendations for the highest paying jobs that day, the schedule you've set, and your predicted earnings. And it's all in one page for easy management across apps. So we have talked about Solo and their pay guarantee in the past, and they have been expanding like crazy. Okay, they're always being available in new cities. So if it wasn't available in your city before and you heard us talk about it, try checking again because it might be available. Okay, they have, with Solo's Pro plan, which has the pay guarantee, it's available in all of these cities. Okay, a bunch of states. You know, there are a few states that aren't in here, like Montana and North and South Dakota and Alaska. But yeah, but there are so many cities. You can go on their website right now and check all of these out. Okay, a bunch in Florida, a bunch of cities in South Carolina, Texas. So it might be available in your area if it wasn't before. But yeah, guys, this is a awesome, amazing feature that you really have to check out. Again, we have a link down below in the description, and if you sign up, you get your $10. Okay, you guys better do it because the free $10, pretty worth it to me. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and leave a comment if you have any questions about how Solo works or anything else you can think of about their pay guarantee. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.